Hi everyone, I am Mana. Today I am going to do another experiment of fire needs air to burn. Let's get started. To make it, first I'll show you what all things we need. We need a glass and a candle and a matchstick. So now the fire is getting slowly bigger and bigger. And it's getting bigger because air is helping fire to burn. And now let's see what happens when we cover the glass. See, the fire getting smaller and smaller. And now the fire is out. And this experiment helps you fire needs air to burn. And I had made a video of air. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell button. And don't forget to do the likings. Bye everyone. I'll come next day with new ideas. Stay safe. Bye bye.